Hi guys, so I think just about last month I received this auto ship from HSN. It's the die press nesting die kit, the birthday edition. It is actually now available there on HSN, so excuse me, I'll go ahead and link that in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're a purchase items to those links. So what's nice about this auto ship is that you don't need to have the first one for this to work, but they will mix and match. Having said that, I was just thinking the other one had a nativity scene, so you have confetti in the nativity scene. Anyway, but they do mix and match in different styles. And so, you know, it comes with a cover plate or like a whole like hard front plate and then inlays. And you can definitely inlay those without using the plate, however it is you like to do that. This one has like balloons and little like pennants or banner there. And then this one has like little balloon and like a gift, like a star. Look at the little balloon, so cute. And this one's just all gifts. And I mean, you can play with this obviously different ways. We have the words make a wish, time to celebrate, and then it has extra little gifts and things. I don't know if they repeat the pattern. You know what I'm saying? Like if, I think these are just extras. Yeah, like, well, maybe these two are about the same size if you wanted to like echo it there or something, maybe here. I don't know. That's kind of what I was just checking on. Let's see. Yeah, because the gifts are different sizings, I would think. This one's like the top of the gift, a little bow or maybe a side view. I don't know. It's super cute. And then here we have happy birthday. Love those dies. I mean, just for those, I'm super happy. And the little balloon is adorable. And then it has stamps. Really big, I mean, sentiments. So hope your birthday is full of sunshine, love, and laughter. Wishing you the happiest birthday. Thinking of you on your special day. So if you're thinking, you know, this has like little bits cut out, so it'd be hard to stamp this on that. You can definitely, like I said, just put use it as an inlay. So maybe cut your own, you know, card front, use that inlay, and then do the stamping or whatever, or just the stamping on the inside of the card, right? Comes with a cutting folder. Of course, this is for the marquee. If you do not have a marquee, you can just you know, use it for something else. I use one over here like for my hot glue, just as a little surface. The drips, they just go on there and I just leave them there. My friend here said that she uses it just to keep this nice and pristine. Just pop it in there and just holds it, you know. But again, you can run these thin metal dies through any machine that cuts thin metal dies, so they're all interchangeable within brands. And so there's some little images there, what they got going, what that looks like. And so we are, yeah, it says stamps for inside of the card. We'll just get started. And oh my goodness, I have something in my throat. So what all I was going to say is I'm just going to grab some papers and we will just get started. I think to start, I just want to keep it really sweet and simple. So I have my card base and it's an A2 size card, so 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. And I chose these papers. These are all Spellbinders papers. I had broken down a lot of my old kits, and I just tried to put all the papers, like coordinating all the blue ones, all the pink, all the purple, you know. So I just grabbed a few of those, so can coordinate really nicely. We'll stamp on the inside of the card in just a minute. So with this guy, what I want to do is see exactly how large this cuts. I don't recall if it's the whole front. Okay, 4 probably by 5 1/4. Yeah. So I really love the look of the little confetti top with this guy. And so let's just get this guy going. I'm going to do the whole thing. But of course you can mix and match with all these other ones too. And let's see here. What do I want on the top? I'm leaning towards the pink. So let's have that guy. And the little pennants, you know, should be going up this way. And I'm going to tape that down so it does not move. And let's get that going. And then since it is 4 by 5 1/4, I'm going to cut a piece of paper for the background that is just a little bit smaller than 4 and just a little bit smaller than 5 1/4. I was going to do it with this blue paper, but now that I think about it, should we do something sparkly? Or you know what? Okay, well, either way, if I use the blue, I'll do that, but I might just use some kind of sparkly paper behind there. And I'm just going to cut it down. So it's just something I'm going to put behind this. And I'll cut it a little bit smaller than 4, a little bit smaller than 5 1/4, and I'll be right back. Roll that guy through. Oh my goodness. Aw, how cute. definitely those silhouettes there. And then I got this from some tonic paper pack that I had there. It was actually from one of the kits, so I don't exactly remember the name of this one, but it's part of their, glittery papers. I mean, that is gorgeous. Okay, so we have that. Let's go ahead and stamp on the inside of the card so that we can just move on and glue our top pieces on. So let me get something for that. The reason I'm actually playing with these colors is I had kind of cleaning up in here and putting things away, and I had a pack of tonic inks that were these colors. I'm like, oh, that's so pretty. So like that kind of corally pink and then the little teal. And that's kind of where I got my little inspo. So I went looking for papers. I'm like, oh yeah, I like that. So I think what I'll do is stamp with this teal one on the inside. So let me get my stamping platform and we'll go from there. I put my card base upside down in here because, well, I guess I can run it this way. I didn't think about that. I never do it this way. I guess I could have done that. But I just have it upside down, basically. And so that means I'm going to put this up here and also kind of upside down. So think of you on your special day, have a birthday that's every bit as beautiful as you are. This one has more like the stars. This one has like the little banner. This one has the butterflies, the balloons. This one's cute. So let's use this guy, and I'm just popping that on there. It looks pretty straight. And of course you have the grid lines, but looks pretty straight. It might be a little bit down this way. Okay. And I'm going to stamp it with that teal. Just dab, 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 dab. Not too bad. I think I might do it one more time. So I don't know if you notice, these Spellbinders card bases have a little texture to them on the outside, and then that texture is still a little bit on the inside of them, so it's not just super smooth or like super smooth surface. And these are acrylic stamps, so just, firm, even pressure. You don't want to push it too hard because then you can definitely get some ghosting if you're really, really pushing down on it. There you go. I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. Have that. And then we have this guy, and I probably should have glued that. In the meantime, you can definitely pop this up from the base if you want to have a little texture, not texture, but dimension. Be really nice. I'm just gonna glue this guy down. You can shaker it, of course. I think for shakering, you're gonna have to get a little bit thinner, cut your foam down on these very edges because some of the edges are a little thinner than others. Maybe just shaker this area. I mean, there's lots of ways to play with that. And I'm just gonna glue those together. Did I not put any glue behind the balloons? I didn't, did I? Let's put a little something. Let's help that out a little bit. Especially because it's glitter paper and it just is a little finicky. All right. And I'm just going to glue this down completely. So I'm going to spend a moment just holding this down, making sure everything is down here. Okay, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so sometimes what I'll do is I'll take like a folder and I'll put it right on here, and I put my machine on top just to keep it nice and flat, and I'm not the one that's just, standing here holding it down, and that helps out a lot. Okay. So let's get some of the little balloons. I don't know if I'll use them all or any, but we have this purple paper I haven't used yet, and I have that light blue that kind of echoes what's going on in the inside. So what I'm going to do is cut maybe one blue one and two purple ones. So I'm just going to run these guys through just to add a few extra balloons here and there. And as far as the sentiment out here on the outside, I was going to use the glittery, but I think if I use the glittery stuff, it'll just kind of blend in with the background here. So let's see here. We have Make a Wish, Time to Celebrate. maybe we'll do time to celebrate, and maybe I'll just run it through some like white paper, and I'll be right back. Just got that guy out. Yeah, I think that's good. Cute. So I was wondering about putting one like in here, kind of echoing what's going on here. It's sticking out there a little bit. And maybe a blue one there. I just kind of want to play with these and have them just here and there. Oh, I think that's cute. Okay, so if we're going to do that, what I want to do is pop these little guys up. So like pop it up there, but then let the little string glue down. So a little wet glue at the base, but I'm going to pop it here. So it has dimension at the top, but then still tacked down here. Same thing for this guy, exactly in that spot. I like the way that looks, and this one too. And you know what, I'll probably also pop them up just to have the little cuteness there. So I'll do that with all of them. Put a little dimensional in the back, and glue down, or tack down the little base here. Okay, and I'll be right back. And then I'll just stick this down. Again, we can cut this out several times and stack it up on top of each other so it's more substantial or drop shadow. I just wanted to keep it simple so we can appreciate, you know, everything on the card at once there. So a little glue, and I'll hold that guy down too. And just kind of tuck behind there and just in here. Oh my gosh, that worked out like perfectly. So cute. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna hold that down. Okay guys, so we are done. How cute is that? Love, again, the nesting capabilities of this. I like the sentiments that are in there. I think that's really great. Love having a nice sentiment die. And look at that. So time to celebrate. The little balloon's kind of coming to life with a little bit of texture, or I keep saying texture. I'm so silly. So anyway, with a little bit of dimension there behind them. Super cute. I just love the way they pop off the front of the card there. And then time to celebrate. And inside we have our thinking of you on your special day. Really sweet. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box. And I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.